good day to all employers. Hope you are all healthy and well. My name is Maria Kisinzi Oblato. I'm 29 years old. I'm single and Christian. I live in Portano, Marami, Canada, Norte. I graduated associate course in computer programming and civil. I have 5 years of business experience as a caterer here in the Philippines. 2 years of Barangay Tagbakta, Canada, Norte. I serve 4 months of the family. I do all household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, gardening, taking care of children aged 13 years old and 10 years old, and also taking care of their pets. 3 years and 4 months of Odyssey Philippines. I support members of the family. I do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and taking care of children aged 3 years old. I am kind, I am patient, I am hardworking, I am loyal, I am dedicated, and I am disciplined, I am trustworthy. I love kids and I love pets. I can easily adjust to new environment and adapt new things when necessary. And I am more than willing to learn more about your cultures and your traditions. Hope to serve you soon, Mr. Thank you and God bless.